Microphone Master Derek Martin's the name. Hey everybody! Welcome to my garage! Look at my engine! That's my girlfriend Jessica!
I love you, Jessica.
We're just doing a little audio check right here. This here's my Rusty Wallace stock car engine. This here's my Rusty Wallace stock car engine. This here's my Rusty Wallace stock car engine. I can go from this mic to that mic. I can go from this mic to that mic. I can go from this mic to that mic. I can go from this mic to that mic. Which mic do you like? Which mic do you like? I can go from this mic to that mic. Hey guys, you like my microphone? Boop, boop. Anybody there? Looky here. This is a small block 350 Chevrolet engine. Finest you ever seen. You put and it peels out. You'll be at the sideshow faster than you can say Punky Brewster.
Alright, so I'm just playing around, being silly, checking out the microphones. I got a shotgun mic right here. I got another shotgun mic right back there. Right now we're functioning off the lavalier, the wireless. I'm just kind of looking at my cameras. I don't have everything set up all the way, but it looks like there's a lot of too much background light on this camera, from this camera angle. Got the GoPro shooting down right on top of the engine right here.
Hi!
Like I said, got a shotgun mic right here. Couple more GoPros, they ain't set up yet, so I might have to adjust little things. I just want to see how this mic is working, see how it sounds, see what you think. Does the lighting look good? Mostly look good, or what is that? That's too bright back there? Maybe it's a little different if I get in front of it. It's like an eclipse. I'm gonna ask my girl about that. What's up, Jessica?
Pretty nice microphone up there. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it up there? Pretty nice microphone up there. I can go from this mic to that mic! Because missing and scratching is the name of the game.